Welcome to Pathophysiology for Nurses. My name is Lynn Jacobs, and I have been an RN for over 30 years. Most of that time, I worked as a nurse practitioner in a very remote setting in Northern California. Currently, I live in Northern California in a town called Peardale. It's really not much more than a stop in the road. This is a kind of a photo of what it looks like. And it is very close to Grass Valley. That's our closest town. It kind of looks like old Clovis to me. I work every Sunday as an RN at Sierra Nevada Memorial Hospital in Grass Valley. Here's a photo here. We're a small hospital. When we have 75 patients, that's considered to be a high census. I'm teaching in Fresno because my daughter-in-law, pictured here, passed away from medullary thyroid cancer a little over 2 years ago and left 5 children. So my son, who works at Channel 30, is a widower with 5 children. We have a really good nanny, but I come down here and provide moral support for everyone. Some housekeeping before we get into the syllabus. I want to point out the exits. The bathroom is across the outdoor walkway. If there are any students in here who have letters from students with disabilities, I want you to wait until the end of the class and follow me into my office to give me the letter. My office hours are posted on Blackboard. If you would like an appointment, you can email me. Email is the best way to reach me. I have it sent directly to my phone so that even when I'm working 12-hour shifts on Sunday, I can still check my email quickly. I gave you my cell phone number on Blackboard. If texting is the only way you can reach me, that's fine as well. As far as absence policy, I would like to know ahead of time if you're going to be out, if at all possible. We have a quiz every week, and I will allow you to make those up as long as it is an excused absence. Most of our tests use Scantrons. If I'm going to give an exam with fill-ins, I will let you know. This is an environment of inquiry. Some of you come into this course having some nursing background, either as a nurse's aide or extern or tech, but others don't have that experience. So we need to allow for all forms of inquiry, give everybody room to grow, and help out those that know a little bit less than you. This is a Discover E class, so we're going to use mobile technology. In this class, it's primarily laptops, but if you want to bring a tablet, that's fine as well. We have an ebook that goes with this course. The ebook is very user-friendly. It has embedded videos. It's much easier to carry than the very heavy patho book that you have. The book is thick because this is a very heavily content-based course. The book provides the content in a concept-based manner. And I chose this book primarily because there's case studies in each chapter that puts the emphasis on how this abstract notion of pathophysiology actually presents within human beings. I've also posted Camtasias, and they're brand new this semester to go with the new book. They might be a little bit stilted as I become more familiar with the content, but they should improve. The My Lab component is the adaptive quizzing that goes with your text, and it is mandatory. I want to review the syllabus quickly. It is module-based. All reading assignments are to be completed prior to class because I want to use the classroom time for application and to solidify concepts and applying them to patient situations in a case study format. In addition to the reading assignments, I have Camtasia videos that are posted, YouTube videos, and your My Lab assignments. There are 3 formal evaluations. They're 100 points each. The final is not comprehensive. And each week we're giving you an iClicker quiz. Those will occur at the end of class so that you'll get some reinforcement during class on that material. You may talk with your neighbor, but I will caution you that your neighbor may not know as much as you do. So while I don't, require absolute silence, these are more to gauge how we are doing from week to week. So when you do the iClicker quiz, you will see the results. I can see if you're getting the material, and you can evaluate your response in relation to the majority of the class. That'll be it. See you next week.